Hello everyone, just feel a little bit of motivation this morning to do a little video. I will tell you how to make a very quick, relatively quick, and relatively cheap sand pit for your kids. I'm doing this video post-fact. I already built it. I didn't feel like messing with the camera as I was in the middle of it. So I'll show you all the things that I got and how much they were approximately. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see any more of these videos in the future. Click the button below and stay until the end. I'll give you a little quick tip on what not to do when building a sand pit. This is how my sand pit looks. I built it into the ground. I put it maybe half a foot down, and it's maybe 6 feet by 4 feet across. I got a cover on it, as you can see, some handle and hinges. Very simple. So I can open it from here, and then I also have another hinge on this side. Not hinge, handle. Then I've custom made everything. I've done it all from the materials that I already had. So basically, you don't really need to spend much. You just find whatever wood you got, or any materials really. You just need to make a container across, and if you want to cover, which you don't have to have, but it's beneficial against animals and the weather and whatnot, and you can put little hinges, cover, handles, and sand. So the wood is sort of free because I already had it. I don't remember how much I paid in the past, but it's basically a little, what is this, 1 by 1, and some panel on the side just to reinforce it. And the only thing I had to buy now was the cover. That was like $18 at the Home Depot, and the hinges are probably like a couple of bucks each. And this sand I got at a sand quarry. That was about $25, $27 for 1,000 pounds, and I just dumped it in the back of my car and brought it here and shoveled it in, and that's it. And also, if you want to know what the cover is at the bottom, it was just a little weed barrier, and a little more wood paneling just to sort of reinforce it. So it's not very deep, about maybe half a foot to a foot. So that's that. Very easy, very simple, just some screws and a drill, and you really don't need to spend too much time on it. If you have all the materials and the tools, this should take you maybe an hour or two tops, I'm thinking. Of course, if you have to go to the store and buy some stuff and make some custom adjustments, it's going to take a bit longer. But this is very quick and very cheap. I think all together I spent maybe 50 bucks on the sandpit, and of course the time. But the one tip that I can give you is don't build it around where you have like fake grass or carpet or anything like that, because then this will happen, and it's a huge pain in the ass to get rid of this. So as you can see, I'm still finishing, but ideally you want a sand pit somewhere like here. That way, like whatever, it doesn't matter, you know. But you really don't want to put it where the carpet is, because now I have no way of getting rid of it. I have to constantly vacuum it, sweep it, use the leaf blower and whatnot, and it's still not very good. And of course, your children will get the sand all over the place. So, hope this helps if you want to build a cheap and easy sand pit.